Hello, welcome back to Math Mastery Academy, where we make math simple and fun. So today we're looking at the 2 by 2 matrix. Let's get straight into the business for the day. So we have our 2 by 2 matrix in this form. So 2 by 2 matrix. And this is so now let's look at the addition of and subtraction of 2 by 2 matrices. So we have addition and subtraction. So you have your first matrix to be we have 2, 3, 1. So this is your first matrix in the B. We have 3, -2, 4, and then 5. So we have this question here. Now let's look at the requirement. So we have find A plus B, and then find A minus B. Okay, now let's solve. So this is our matrices. So to find the A plus B, it is going to be 2, 3, 3, 1. That is the A. So A plus B plus your B, which is 3, -2, 4, and then 5. So if you want to add these matrices here, add them according to positions. So this is in the first position. So we add 2 and then what? 3. The second position, so 3 and then -2. So 3 plus -2. Right? Followed by this, so this and that. So 3 plus 4. And then the last one, 1 plus 5. And at the end we are getting our A plus B to equal to 2 plus 3, we are getting 5. 3 plus -2, we are getting 1. 3 plus 4, 7. And then 1 plus 5, 6. So this is the answer for A plus B. Now let's look at the A minus B. So according to positions, we have, or you can bring your A and B again. So that is 2, 3, 3, 1. And then plus, this is minus 2 minus 3, 4, -2, and then 5. So according to positions, you subtract. So 2 minus 3. And then 3 minus 2. And we have this and this. So 3 minus 4. And 1 minus 5. And our A minus B is going to be 2 minus 3, we are getting -1. 3 minus -2, we are getting 5. So this will be minus, or negative is positive. So 3 minus, we are getting 5. And then 3 minus 4, -1. 1 minus 5, we are getting -6. And that is your final answer for the addition and subtraction of 2 by 2 matrices. Now let's go straight into the multiplication of matrices. So multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, so now with the multiplication, we have our, so let me use the variables first. We have A, B, C, D. And then B is E, F, G, H. So if you told to find A, B, so find A, B. And that is the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. And it is how to solve for the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. Unlike the addition and subtraction, the multiplication is totally different from the addition and subtraction of 2 by 2 matrix. And it is how to solve a multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we have our A, B, C, D, multiplying our E, F, G, and H. Please take note that with the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices, with the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices, so as you can see, the first line, so A, B, will multiply E and then J. So that is how it goes. So A will multiply E. So A multiply the first position, so the first position by the first position, and then B multiply the third position, which is B multiplying the 2. So this is how you are going to write it. So we have A multiplying E, so E plus, please take note of this. So A multiplying E plus B multiplying J. So that is the first one. That is only for this. So A will multiply E, then B will multiply J. Okay. And the second one, where this group. So A is going to multiply F. So we have A multiplying F. And then B will multiply H. I believe you are following. So A multiplying E, B multiplying J. A multiplying F, B multiplying H. And if you are able to do this, the second one or the one under will be very simple for you. And that is going to be, so C will multiply E and B will multiply J. And when you come here, C will multiply F and then B will multiply H. And that is the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. So now let's take an example. So we have the first example to be A to be 2, 2, 1, and 3. And our B is 4, negative 1, 0, and then 3. So this is an example. So now let's find A, B. Right. Okay. So we know our A to be 2, 2, 1, and then 3. And our B to be 4, negative 1, 0, and 3. Now let's multiply. So this and this. So 2 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 0. So 2, 0. Or 2 by 0. So that's the first one. And the second one, 2 multiply 1 or negative 1. So 2 multiply negative 1 plus these 2 multiplying 3. Okay. And now this one's here. We have 1 multiplying 4 plus, so 1 multiplying 4 plus 3 multiplying 0. So 3 multiplying 0. Right. Okay. And this side we have this one here multiplying our negative 1. So 1 by negative 1 plus 3 by 3. So 3 by 3. And that is it. So now let's break it down. So 2 by 4. We are getting, so 8 plus, if multiply 2 by 0, we're getting 0. Right. So now this is our first calculation with that. And on this side, 2 multiply negative 1, we are getting negative 2. So negative 2 plus 2 multiply 3, we are getting 6. Right. Okay, and for this one too, we have 4 multiply 1, we are getting 4 plus 3 multiply 0, that is 0. 1 multiply negative 1, we are getting negative 1 plus 3 by 3, 9. Okay, so I continue from here. So we have 8 plus 0, negative 2 plus 6, 4 plus 0, and then negative 1 plus 9. And A is going to be 8 plus 0, we are getting 8, negative 2 plus 6, we are getting 4, 4 plus 0, we are getting 4, and then 1, negative 1 plus 9, we are getting 8. And AB is going to give you 8, 4, 4, 8. And that is the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices.